Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Anna.
And I'm Lyle. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is gratitude. Gratitude means saying thank you, noticing good things, and feeling happy about them.
Yes, gratitude is a beautiful word. It's about being thankful, and it's also a great way to practice English.
Gratitude is simple but powerful. When you say thank you, you connect with people, you show kindness, you make someone smile.
And when you practice gratitude in English, you also practice clear, useful phrases. These are phrases you can use every day.
So in this episode, we will learn simple English phrases about gratitude. We'll practice together, we'll repeat, and we'll use real-life examples.
Exactly. Think of us like two friends hanging out with you. We'll talk slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Remember, this podcast is for beginners, A1, A2 level. That means short sentences, easy grammar, and lots of repetition.
Yes, repetition is important. When you hear a phrase many times, it becomes natural. It becomes part of your English.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's right. Every time you try, you improve. Every time you listen, you grow.
So let's enjoy this lesson. Let's smile. Let's feel thankful.
Gratitude is not only about words, it's also about feelings. When you feel thankful, your English practice feels easier.
And remember, if you like this podcast, please subscribe, give us a like, and share it with a friend. That helps us grow and helps more people learn English.
Yes, please. Sharing is also gratitude. When you share, you help others.
Think about one thing you are thankful for today. Maybe your breakfast, maybe your family, maybe the sunshine.
Yes, even small things are important. Gratitude is about small, daily moments.
For example, I am thankful for my morning coffee. It makes me feel awake.
And I am thankful for my bicycle. It takes me to work every day.
See? Gratitude is easy. Gratitude is real. Gratitude is daily life.
And today we will learn how to say gratitude in English.
So let's start. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's learn English with gratitude.
Ready? Let's go together.
Let's start with the most common phrase, thank you.
Yes, easy, right? Thank you. Repeat after us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. That's the first step.
Now, sometimes we say thanks. It's shorter. It's casual.
Like when a friend gives you a pen, you say thanks.
Exactly. Let's practice.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Great. You're improving already. Let's make it stronger. We can say, thank you very much.
Yes, that sounds polite. It shows big gratitude.
For example, thank you very much for your help.
Or, thank you very much for the coffee.
Repeat with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Now let's make it bigger. We can say, thank you very much.
Yes, that sounds stronger, more polite.
For example, thank you very much for your help.
Or, thank you very much for the coffee.
Let's repeat together.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good job. Let's imagine daily life.
Okay. Anna, you give me a banana for breakfast.
Here you go, Lio, a banana.
Thank you very much, Anna. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Perfect. That's real English.
Now let's try another. Anna, you open the door for me.
Sure. Opens door.
Thanks, Anna.
You're welcome, Lio.
See? Easy conversation.
Another example. You are in a shop, the cashier gives you change.
You smile and say, thank you.
Yes, simple and polite. At school, your classmate shares a pencil.
You say, thanks.
Exactly. At home, your mother cooks dinner.
You say, thank you very much.
Perfect. When someone says thank you, what do we say?
We say, you're welcome.
Yes. Repeat with us.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Good job.
Let's make a mini dialogue.
Anna, thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome, Lio.
Perfect.
We can also say, no problem.
Or anytime.
These are friendly answers.
Repeat with us.
No problem.
Anytime.
Great. We can also say, I appreciate it.
Yes, that means I am thankful.
For example, I appreciate your help.
Or I appreciate your time.
Let's repeat.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Good job.
Another phrase is, that's kind of you.
For example, that's kind of you to help me.
Or, that's kind of you to call me.
Repeat with us.
That's kind of you.
That's kind of you.
Excellent. Okay, now let's practice together. We'll say a situation, you answer with gratitude.
Ready? Situation 1. Your friend gives you a pen.
What do you say?
Yes, you say, thanks.
Good job.
Situation 2. Your teacher helps you with homework.
What do you say?
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Situation 3. Your neighbor carries your bag.
What do you say?
I appreciate it.
Excellent.
Situation 4. Your brother fixes your computer.
What do you say?
Thanks a lot.
Perfect. Gratitude is not only words, it's also feelings.
Yes. When we say thank you, we feel good.
And the other person feels good too.
So gratitude is powerful. It helps communication. It helps friendship.
And it helps learning English. Gratitude is daily life. Gratitude is morning coffee. Gratitude is sunshine.
Gratitude is family. Gratitude is friends. Gratitude is health.
Every day we can say thank you.
Every day we can practice English with gratitude.
Let's make a longer conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. I made coffee. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here you go.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
See, that's a real English conversation.
Let's try another.
Sure.
Hi, Leo. Do you want a cookie?
Yes, please. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
That's kind of you.
Happy to help. Let's repeat the key phrases again.
Ready?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
That's kind of you.
No problem.
Anytime.
Perfect.
Great job, everyone. You practiced many gratitude phrases.
Remember, practice makes progress.
Use these phrases every day.
At home, at school, at work.
Gratitude is English.
Gratitude is life.
Okay, friends, let's finish today's lesson.
Yes, let's recap the key phrases.
Number 1, thank you.
Number 2, thanks.
Number 3, thank you very much.
Number 4, you're welcome.
Number 5, I appreciate it.
Great job. You practiced gratitude in English.
Remember, gratitude is simple but powerful. Use it every day.
Say thank you to your family.
Say thanks to your friends.
Say I appreciate it to your teacher.
And always smile.
Yes. Learning English is easier when you feel thankful.
Gratitude makes English practice fun. Gratitude makes English practice real.
When you say thank you, you connect with people.
When you say thanks, you sound friendly.
When you say thank you very much, you sound polite.
When you say you're welcome, you show kindness.
When you say I appreciate it, you show respect.
Let's repeat one more time slowly.
Ready?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Excellent.
Good job, everyone. You listened, you repeated, you practiced.
And you improved your English today.
Remember, small steps make big progress.
Every time you listen, every time you repeat, you grow.
Gratitude is not only English. Gratitude is life.
Gratitude is morning coffee.
Gratitude is sunshine. Gratitude is friendship.
Gratitude is learning.
Gratitude is sharing. Gratitude is smiling.
Gratitude is saying thank you every day.
So, here's our community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. Do you drink coffee? Do you eat a banana? Do you say thank you to someone?
We want to know. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
Thank you very much for listening.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Bye-bye.